Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Today we're going to show you how to convert your Excel files to Google Sheets. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Next, we need to upload the Excel file to Google Drive. Click on the new button in the top left corner, then select File Upload. Locate your Excel file on your computer, select it and click Open. Your file will begin uploading to Google Drive. Once the upload is complete, find your file in Google Drive. Right-click on it, hover over Open With, and select Google Sheets. Google Sheets will create a new file in your Google Drive with the same name as your original Excel file, but in Google Sheets format. You can now work on this file just like any other Google Sheets document. Your file will open in Google Sheets. Now, to save it as a Google Sheets file, click on File, then Save as Google Sheets. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Excel file to Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might need this tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.